Good morning! Welcome to today's vlog. I am at the airport. I'm at JFK. I'll just have to keep my mask on, so hopefully you guys can hear me, but I was able to pack this morning, which is crazy. I finished my lashes at 9 this morning. I packed. It's only a 2-day trip, so I didn't have to pack much. So I actually had to cancel another trip that I had, and instead I'm going on this trip, which is a work trip, which I'm so happy about. Honestly, such a blessing, and I can't wait to show you guys. Such a full circle moment for me. So I'm just chilling here. I'm gonna go use the restroom, chill. It's a 5-hour flight, so I brought a melatonin with me and a sheet mask. We got our hair done, our facial, lashes, everything is fresh, and I have like the comfiest outfit on. I got so used to vlogging in public that people are staring at me, and I'm just like, well, it is what it is. This is 2021 for you. So I'll see you guys in a few. Mimosas. Cheers. It's the prep for me. Good morning. I slept so good. I love sleeping in hotels because it's so dark, nice and cold. The beds are always comfy. So it is currently 9:30 in the morning. When I got out of the airport, I went straight to get the COVID test, and the driver dropped me off here at the hotel. I ordered food, ate, and knocked out. I slept, I took a nap, and then woke up and then went back to sleep. So today's the big day. We are shooting today, and I just have these One Size Beauty patches on just to hydrate a little bit. They're picking me up in an hour, so I'm gonna set out my bag so that we can choose when we get there. I have to bring 3 outfits. I have to get dressed, straighten my hair a little bit, make sure it's nice and sleek. It's up right now, and yeah, I'm excited. Wearing so many masks, I'm getting a ton of maskne. Like, I just got this pimple here. I ordered acne treatment on Postmates. Like, it's like an Uber Eats, but it's Postmates. So I really ordered this different gel. It has great reviews, but it didn't really do much. But I really ordered this last night, like around 9 p.m. I was too tired to get up, and it was kind of late to be walking around, and I just don't know this area and stuff. So I ordered it, I put it on, and I woke up and the pimple was still there. But that's okay, because we're gonna be wearing makeup for this video. We are just prepping today. So I fixed my hair a little bit, got dressed. I'm just wearing jeans, a black top, and Converse. I'm bringing my outfits in the bag. I'm nervous, but I'm not like that nervous. Like, I feel like once I get there, I'll get more nervous, but definitely getting a massage when I get back to New York. The bed is super comfortable, the pillow was comfortable, but like on the plane, my neck was all like stiff. There we go. I had to bump the AC because I'm hot. And I don't know how far the studio is from here, but we shall see once we're in the car. I'm excited. 2 of the members of my management are gonna be there, so that's gonna help me like just feel at ease. I'm just gonna look at them like if I messed up. This is the first time I'm meeting them, but having them there though is gonna be like my security blanket. They have a sign on the door that says like clean my room or like do not disturb, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it to clean my room since I'm not gonna be here. Might as well. Let's hope it works. How pretty. How beautiful is this? Hopefully I get to vlog on set, and then probably after I'm gonna go out to eat, maybe have a drink to celebrate. I'm already like ahead of myself. Let's get through the shoot first. We are having like a lunch break at the shoot. I feel like this is a dream, like I'm not actually here, but I'm here. So pinch myself, I'm here. Rose, wake up, you're here, let's do this. Let's put on our game face. I get nervous for things like this, even though I talk to the camera all the time. It's just me and the camera, and I feel like it's just me and you, and like I could just be myself. And of course I could be myself in front of everyone else. People probably think I wouldn't get nervous, but I do. So if you're the type that gets nervous in front of big groups, I feel you, because I'm the same way. Either way, what's gonna happen is gonna happen. So let's go try our best, and let's be ourselves, and let's go kill it. Just made it. It's the snacks for me. And I'm gonna be sitting on this chair today, which is so weird. They're gonna touch up my hair and do my makeup. So excited. Behind the scenes, I'm getting my makeup done, guys. This is so different. I'm sitting in the chair and it feels awesome. I'm so excited to see what challenge I get. Makeup is done. We are just waiting to go on set. This is my glam. Basically, she had to do my makeup how I do my makeup, and this is pretty much how I do it. So we're just waiting, and then we're gonna take a lunch break, and then we're gonna do the challenge. Totally didn't get to vlog with the makeup on. That's a wrap. We are done. Now we have to do a little bit more work, so we're heading an hour away to edit something so I can go live with it. You know, just a working girl. Then we're gonna get something to eat. Maybe sushi, maybe In-N-Out. You just never know. But I'm kind of in the mood for like a margarita because we just wrapped up and I feel good. I feel happy. We got it done. I was really nervous, but it was honestly so much fun. I don't know what I was nervous about. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're enjoying this beautiful LA weather and LA views. One day we're gonna all live here too. We're gonna have a house here.
Heavy traffic reported ahead. Keep left, and then turn left.
You guys like River?
Hey, 6, 9, trying to provide for me.
We are gonna go eat. Not me changing in the car for content. See, this is what I do, guys. We're gonna get it done regardless. Orders a bacon, egg, and cheese. It takes out the bacon. Like, why am I like this? But it's so good. This oat latte, vanilla latte, hitting right now. I'm so happy I didn't go to Starbucks because I could get Starbucks anytime in New York. It's a Suburban for me. My Uber just got here and I'm heading home. I'm heading to LAX.
How's your day going?
Good. How's your day? We're gonna try a peach Celsius drink. They taste like Snapple peach. Fire.
I hope you had the time of your life.
Beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. We count our dollars on the tree, driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like.
So I'm at the Urban Skin event. I just got some microneedling. I'm taking some pictures here. I already sent it to myself. See? Let's take a picture together. I'm a little numb, but in 4 weeks my skin is going to have produced new collagen, which we need. I'm gonna go upstairs, take some pictures, and enjoy my day. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. I am here at BeautyFix. I'm gonna be getting some work done. I feel like it's so dramatic to say work. I'm doing some lip filler, Botox here in my frown lines, and Botox in my jaw for the TMJ. I got to the city early because I had a Zoom meeting and I couldn't even join. I was having technical errors, so I was sitting in Starbucks like frustrated, like why won't it work? My management handled it, so that's fine. I feel so weird not having any lip product on my lips right now. This is how my lips look when I don't overline them, when I don't have lipstick and lip gloss. I know you guys always think I have fresh lip filler, but it's literally just brown lip liner. So this is my before. Let's head upstairs and let's go get fixed. We are about to get fixed. I'm about to get my lips done and my jaw. You guys know I get Botox in my masseter in the jaw for TMJ. So super excited to be snatched.
Yeah, you have amazing lips, so thank you. Just gonna enhance what you already have. Love that. Just try not to swallow it because it does not taste good. And I'm gonna let that settle in for a little.
Okay, so this is immediately after. I'm gonna be icing my lips. So we did my forehead, a Botox in the jaw for TMJ because I clench and I have like a clicking jaw. Botox in between the brows for the first time ever. Can't believe I waited this long. Botox up here for my expression lines, and lip filler. Clearly they're swollen and you can see the marks. That's normal, they're gonna go down. First 3 days are probably the most swollen, and some people bruise. Sometimes I bruise, sometimes I don't. But yeah, they're a little swollen, so don't be scared. They're gonna look a lot better. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys. I'm still numb, so I'm talking super weird. I love it. Now we're off to run some errands here in the city.
Welcome to Long Island Railroad Penn Station. Please watch your step and face forward at all times. Please go
Go get our nails done. You know you love the bag when you buy it again. I'm checking out some wallets because my wallet is like curling. I just have to like aplastarlo, you know. I just got my nails done. I didn't show you guys, but nails are done. I just met a beautiful supporter here at the Louis store. Shout out to you, girl. But yeah, we are getting the same exact bag because this one is like worn and done. It's finally happening. I am buying my first Chanel bag. I really wanted to come with a friend and like wear makeup and make like a whole day of it, a whole experience, but that's okay. I'm in the city. It's honestly probably the hottest day of the year. It's a whole heat wave, but I'm just gonna do it. I've been waiting for this moment and it just feels so good. I just repurchased my Neverfull bag. So that was that, and now I'm gonna buy my first Chanel bag. I had my Neverfull for 7 years, and now it's time to enter the Chanel world, period. So that's what we're doing. It's finally happening. I am gonna choose between the small boy bag and the medium boy bag, and then we'll decide hardware. So I'm definitely gonna go black, and I definitely want the caviar leather because I heard it wears better. So I'm gonna try them on, and I can't wait to show you guys. Can't really vlog inside of stores, but we finished, and now this is what I call balance. I'm having a hot dog, a Frank, after spending all this money. I think it's about to start pouring, so I figured let me just get something to eat quick. I eat meat again, if you didn't know. Not that you care, but yeah, I eat meat again. So I'm having a hot dog, some fries, Nathan's to be exact. Beautiful New York sounds in the back. And yeah, I'm watching my bags as I am about to eat this glizzy. Not the glizzy though. Yes, the glizzy with the COVID testing in the back. So as you guys saw in this vlog, I was in LA with Walmart for a really fun collaboration. So I was able to film an episode for their Beauty Fun series. I wanted to thank you guys not only for always supporting me and showing me love, but also just for making this a reality for me. I'm on Walmart's Instagram and YouTube channel. So if you want to see the challenge that I got, you can check the description bar. I'll have it listed down below. Please show me some love. This was a first for me. My palms were definitely sweaty and I was very, very nervous. It honestly felt like I was dreaming and I didn't know what challenge I was gonna get. The challenge that I got really stumped me because I swore I was doing a certain look and I actually did a completely different look. The team was so sweet. Everybody was so nice and supportive. I was so nervous going into it just because of that like element of surprise. I feel like I did okay and you guys are reassuring me that I did a good job. For the challenge that I got, the look was definitely unique. I'll have the YouTube video listed down below. It's on their YouTube page, Walmart's YouTube page. It was so much fun. I had so much fun filming it and I'm just so grateful for these opportunities and I'm just so happy with where I'm at right now and for the doors that are opening for me, and I couldn't have done this without you guys. So please go show it some love, the YouTube video as well as the Instagram post on their Walmart page. Shout out to everyone who already left a comment. I love you so much. We on Walmart, baby. I feel like calling my mom and be like, Mama, I made it. I'm on Walmart's Instagram page and YouTube. Pa que tú lo sepa. Just a Latina from Queens working with Walmart. So grateful and so happy. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.